What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe Postcard Diva. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there today? If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, if you haven't checked out my program, my #1 way to earn online, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. How to earn daily pay income. All right, we're gonna get right into it. I want to show you guys one of the simple strategies, just one, that we use. This is not what's in your back office that you would get. Okay, this particular website, okay, because you need to be a paid member. But I'm going to take you to one of the sites that you can use, and I'm going to give you all that for free. How about that? Now, one simple strategy that you can do to earn daily pay with our program. All right, so let me show you that. Let's get right into it. Right, so we have our digital products that give us training. Okay, all the digital training is in there, right? So we're going to go to a website. We're going to post an ad which drives people to your website, right? Your capture page, all right? So let me show you. This is the simplicity of it. That's what I want to show you. Simple. If you can copy and paste, you can do this. This is just one strategy. All right, so let's check it out. All right, we're going to go to this particular website. I'm going to put the link in the description. You can go there. I'm giving you guys this for free because it's not one of the ones that's in the training, but I've used this in the past. All right, so you're going to go to your training that you get over here that you're paying for, your digital products, right? We got a $50, a $150, a $300, and a $600 product. You decide. Get in where you fit in. I'm all in. Okay, so we go here, we copy. This is given to you in your training. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to copy this. All right, I'm going to go back over here to this site that I'm going to give you guys for free. And I'm going to go down here. Look at this. They're saying, well, hey, what category do you want? All right, I'm going to say affiliate program. I'm going to put the subject I just got from over in my training that I bought, right? Over here, I'm going to copy this one. Copy. I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to put this in here, and I'm going to paste it in here. You see this, guys? Okay, that's the subject. That's the body. They gave me everything I needed. And I'm going to put my URL that I want in there. Hang on one second. I'm going to use a link that I have that I'm tracking with, right? Hang on a moment. All right, hang on a second. Let me get this link. Alrighty, we're gonna go back and we're gonna paste it in here. Voila. All right, so let's go over here. Over here, guys, you have in your training, see where it says, let's see, where are we? Right here, 200 pre-written ads plus 600 bonus image ads. It's way more than that. All right, just so you know, ad copy for your marketing images. So I went into that. I got some information. I got my headline and I got the body. And I came over to this website. The link, I'm going to put it in the description so y'all can go check it out. This is a freebie. All right. Again, this is not what's in the membership area. We give you some of these links that you can go to, but I'm just using this one because this is one I have used in the past. All right, so we go here. I'm going here. I copied my link. I copied the subject, and again, I got it from over here in my members area that I paid for my digital products, and the body. And I'm going to click post. Let's see. Okay, let's see what we got. Hang on. Okay, I went back into the site, and right here, here's mine. I'm at the top. I'm sure it pushes down as more people come in, but here's mine, right? Ready to generate $150 per day, Monday through Friday. That's the ad I just put in there, right? Just put that ad in there. Okay, and there's plenty other ads that folks have posted in here. Look, make money without sponsoring. It's a ton of ads in here. Okay, so I'm just showing you the simplicity of what we have here. Now remember, we have our 2-hour workday, right? So you could actually make posting ads, say 30 minutes of your day, right? You come over here. We give you some sites, all that's in here, like right here, hold on. Like right here, see it says how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free. Okay, that section right there. Okay, they give you websites. The one I'm going to give you is not included in that, just so you know. Okay, but this is what I'm saying, and then the ads is right here too. So that's just one strategy. But remember, you're getting all these different platforms that you can use. That was just one. So you can maybe take 30 minutes to go and post some ads. Maybe you want to go do a Craigslist ads. You got Instagram, you got YouTube, you got TikTok, guys. Any of these platforms, okay? But I'm just giving you an idea of how simple it is. Now, let's take it to another level. I look at this, listen to this. This is an analogy, right? This, say you go to college. You need your textbooks, right? You need your textbooks to go to school, period, right? That's just in general. You got to have your textbooks, but you don't just take your textbooks and go home and leave, right? You go to the classroom, right? The textbooks and the classroom. So that's what gives it the extra edge, the extra value, the community that I'm talking about. Now, don't get it twisted. Am I saying if you just get the digital products, that wouldn't work alone? That it would work, because before we had the community, it's been working. Remember, this program has been around since 2021, almost 3 years. So we have the company program Facebook group, the community there. Okay, so that has been working with this program before we discovered this new community that I'm talking about, right? So absolutely, you could just purchase your digital products and it still will work, because all of these trainings are video tutorials. So when you go there, for an example, let's just say we go to, let me pick one. Hang on a second. Let's say we go to Facebook, right? And we click Facebook. We want to do, see, it's going to give you a video. So you're still going to have your video that's going to walk you through the training. That's what this is. Digital education, you're going to learn via video. See, short videos. So the topic here is Facebook marketing. So you're still going to do that. But what I'm saying is the extension of that is this community over here that I've been talking about. So that's why I said I like to look at it as I get my books, my textbook, all my training here. Then I attend class, because we do have the classroom up here, right? I attend class. This is classroom. And I go here every day and basically get my assignment. Hello, somebody. I'm talking to somebody out there. I get my assignment, right? I get my coaching, my mentorship, my insight right here. So I take this. I got my training over here, my text, and then I go to class. And then if I run into any issues or questions I may have, guess what? I come back to my class, because we got live weekly calls where you can get your questions answered. We have a community now. We just hit 6,200. Shout out to our community. We hit 6,200 people. So folks are in here that can help you. So that's the extension that I want to talk about. All right. So it is just that simple. Some of these strategies we're giving you are simple, guys, but you have to apply them. Okay. Nothing's going to happen until you make the change and you take action. Right. So we got it all laid out for you. So you purchase your product. Let's go back over here. We purchase our product. You decide. You get in where you fit in. I'm all in. Let me show you these products once again. Your $50, your $150, your $300, your $600. Now remember, you can also come all the way down here. Any of these buttons, you can purchase your products. Okay, so you don't have to just stop up here at the top with the green buttons. You can come all the way down, especially if you want to do Cash App. Come all the way down. See the yellow and the green. Then you got the blue and the green, but you can come all the way down because this is where the calculator is too. You can put in your number. Say you may say, well, I want to see how many 10 sales would be. 3,000. Okay, for that one. So come all the way down and you can purchase down here as well. But anyway, I just wanted you to see that. All right. So you get in where you fit in. We've got 4 products for you to choose from. If you go all in here at the premium level, that's where I am. And I recently got upgraded. I was here, right? But I saw the value in having the classroom. Okay, the extension. Not just the training, which it could still work because we've been doing it. But the extra value, the live training, the help that you can get pretty much 24/7. If you go in there, you can search the classroom. All right. So I'll put a link in the description for you to go to that free website where you can post. Doesn't cost you a dime. And this is a way to do free marketing, guys. You're not paying for any advertising. All you need to do is purchase your digital products. When you sign up, I'm going to send you a welcome email. In the welcome email, there's going to be 2 links. One to get you into your membership area. Okay. Whichever one you paid for, I'm going to send you the link to get you in there. And then I'm going to send you a link to get in the classroom. Okay. To be a part of the community, the thriving community, by the way. Okay. And that is what's going to help keep you in the game, because there's 6,200 people that's in here that is live. This is not one of those groups where nobody's really communicating. You can't get help. It's not stagnant at all. It's very much thriving. All right. So wanted you to see that. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com if you're interested in getting more information on how to earn daily pay income, earning $50, $150, $300, or $600 instant commissions, step-by-step training. All right, guys, 100% commissions. All right, go check it out. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. On the way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.